Hi everybody, it's Danae with Danae's Daily Drop. I am here this morning. I'm on my way out the door, masks in hand. It's been a hard time for a lot of people, and California is burning right now. And if you're not close to the fires, it does not even matter because you're being affected. It's breathing, throat's burning, eyes burning, nose. I know so many, and my family is also being affected. We are trying everything, and we are finding our best stuff is ready to breathe. Respiratory support. You breathe oil. You need that. And you need your peppermint. In any form. You could do it this. If you have a different one, it's fine. Put it on. There's a vapor stick with the breathe. Peppermint oil. Fine. Drop it. It opens everything up, but do it inside because you do not want to open everything up outside where all the PM 2.5 is, which is deadly. It's a silent killer. So be careful. I was watching a video yesterday on that. Look it up. It's you need to know if you are in and around that smoke from the fires, you need to know. And I also wanted to share with you that doTERRA, they have the hygiene, gotta sign that E, kit for people, and they're 25 bucks. Okay, 25 bucks. You can purchase, I am trying to get those kits, so I can get it to families affected by the fires. I know people that have been displaced or, evacuated, and I would like to help them. They're in an area where they're not too sure what's going to happen. So I want to help them, but I need your help to do that. So if you want to help, contact me. Email me at Danae's Daily Drop at gmail.com. Okay, I have it up. Did I put it up there? I didn't. So Danae's Daily Drop at gmail.com. That's DENEEDENEES DAI. Did I do that right? DAILYDROP at gmail.com. If you want to help support these families that have been evacuated from their home, they've lost their homes. Some have been evacuated, some have lost them. Some of these homes have burned. That Paradise City is gone. We want to help. So tell me what you think. I am happy to order today, and I would like to have it overnight shipped. Tell me if you need the breathe. I can help you with the order. You can go to right here, my.doterra.com/my-oil-life. That is my link. Or you go www.facebook.com/Danae's Daily Drop. you should be able to reach me there. If not, my phone number is 707-373-3733. I'm happy to help anybody who need. I want to help. If you can help, call me or email me. And I would like to get this to the families as soon as possible. So I think that's it. There's your drop for today. I have my box came in, but this was needed more. So we will go through my box maybe tomorrow. Yeah. And look at holiday things. Today, it's all about those people and what they need. So contact me and I will see you soon. Thank you for all your help. I don't even know what to say. My heart is very sad today. So take care. Stay safe. See you soon.